Harvard University researchers say last year's death toll from Hurricane Maria is dramatically larger than reported. The study, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, estimates more than 4,600 people died in Puerto Rico. The official government death toll is just 64. David Begnaud has reported extensively from Puerto Rico on the hurricane. He's back in San Juan this morning. David, good morning.
John, good morning. We're in one of the barrios, or districts here in San Juan, where researchers randomly went door to door, knocked, and asked if anyone died here. There were more questions than that, but that's how it got started. With a $50,000 grant from Harvard, 6 weeks worth of work, and a headline on a death toll that has stunned people.
We welcome all studies.
Puerto Rico's Governor Ricardo Rosselló, who himself is a scientist, seemed blindsided by the Harvard study.
We want the real number to come out. We had a protocol that really was subpar, and we recognize it.
The protocol is that doctors tell the government if a death was caused by Hurricane Maria. Families have to petition the government to investigate if they disagree with the doctor's opinion. Those brown dots show where the Harvard study researchers surveyed more than 3,000 homes around the island and found the mortality rate rose 62% in the 3 months after Hurricane Maria compared to that period the year before. Researchers concluded the final death count could be as high as 8,500. Domingo Marquez was a lead author on the study.
What was the majority reason people died after the storm and related to the storm?
1/3 of our deaths were reported because of lack of medical treatment.
And we've saved a lot of lives.
During his visit to Puerto Rico last October, President Trump hailed the low death toll, which at the time was 16.
You can be very proud of all of your people, all of our people working together.
In light of the Harvard report, a White House spokesperson said the people of Puerto Rico deserve nothing less than transparency and accountability.
The negligence that allowed those lives to be lost needs to be accounted for.
San Juan Mayor Carmen Yulín Cruz has blasted Mr. Trump for being tone deaf and slow to respond. When asked to evaluate her own response, she said,
I know I didn't get to everyone. We did the best we could, but that wasn't good enough.
Here's why this story is about more than just a shocking number. Every time a government official certifies that a death has been directly related to Hurricane Maria, the family of the person who died is then eligible for the federal government to help pay for funeral expenses. Gayle, that's why these numbers are so important.
Yeah, and you said it best. They're also very shocking and painful to hear. Thank you very much, David Begnaud, reporting from Puerto Rico once again.